I tried AI dropshipping for 7 days. Not to sell you a dream, but to see if this actually makes financial sense. In 2025, people aren't lazy. They are desperate for smarter income because one job is no longer enough. AI dropshipping means using artificial intelligence to research products, analyze demand, and build Shopify stores faster than ever. In just 7 days, AI helped with product research, store setup, and ad ideas. But here's what most YouTubers won't admit. AI doesn't guarantee profit. It reduces wasted time. Your money still needs discipline, patience, and risk control. If you copy this, start small. Set a strict budget. Track every dollar. Never risk money you can't afford to lose. Real wealth isn't built from one viral store. It's built from skills, systems, and smart financial habits. If you want to succeed financially in 2026, you must start learning today. If you want to win in 2026, subscribe now and make me your financial friend.